fact, an explosion of research during the 1990s that helped us understand that our students were not getting things from our classes that we thought that they should, that the old approaches that we've been using for decades were in fact not as effective as we had thought that they would be. What has happened in the last decade, I would say, has instead been a switch away from that research, where we now have a much better understanding of what it is that has gone wrong, and is now focused instead on what we might do better. And the focus of this conference, therefore, is in fact on those innovations and research about those innovations, so that in fact we can actually make progress moving forward and not just document that our students are not learning as well as we would like them to, but rather make progress forward to have them learn in the ways that we would like them to. Our hope and our goal and our mission in holding this conference is to provoke a conversation here at Rice and across the community of Houston and other campuses to determine and understand what has worked elsewhere, what research tells us about what works and why, and to have a conversation about what would work best for us at Rice. So the hope is, in fact, that this is the beginning and not the end of a substantial conversation on the issue of innovation in education at Rice.
This program is protected by a copyright and may not be redistributed in whole or in part without the express written consent of Rice Digital Media Services.